Place the two cross supports on a level surface forming an X shape. Place the structural tube diagonally across the cross supports. Attach the plate to the cross supports using the provided screws and washers. Place the cover on the plate. Place 4 16 by 16 inch or 40 by 40 centimeter patio stones in the corners of the assembly. Minimum weight per stone should be 20 pounds or 9.1 kilograms. The thickness should be 1.5 to 2 inches or 3.8 to 5.8 centimeters. Choose the correct round collar. For a 1 inch 2.5 centimeter pole, use the 1 inch collar. Single collar for home use and double for in-store display. For the 1.5 inch 3.8 centimeter pole, use the 1.5 inch collar, single collar for home use, and double for in-store display. Place the floor stand pole into the structural tube base with the yellow stabilizer facing upward. Slide the collar over the pole and press down to secure. Do not force it. The collar will not slide in completely. If the pole is not held securely, you may be using the incorrect collar size. Your patio base is now ready for the pole system of your choice. Enjoy! The screw component from your Brome pole system is not needed for a residential installation but can be displayed in store.